Did you know that you can buy a monetized and well-established YouTube channel from other creators? In the safest way possible. Now you know, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But before then, I need to tell you things you need to look out for, because you know what, we have to be careful on the streets of the internet. Okay, so I'll give you the tea on what you need to look out for before you buy a YouTube channel, a monetized YouTube channel from another creator. Now obviously you have to make sure that you're not buying a hacked account. A hacked account is an account that was stolen from someone else by a different person. So someone might be selling a YouTube channel that does not belong to them. They stole it, they hacked it, they got the password, the details, and yes, they took over the channel and want to sell it to you. You don't want to buy such channel, because that is theft and you can go to jail for that. So in order to avoid this, you have to make sure the owner verifies their ownership to you. You have to make sure the creator verifies their ownership by showing you an email from the original channel recovery email, Google account creation date, consistency throughout the channel. Don't pay through crypto. So if you're paying through crypto, more often than not you're getting scammed, because they can, why do you have to send it through crypto? You can pay with cash. There are options, PayPal, Stripe, so many ways to do this. So why do you have to pay with crypto? Do not pay for any online service with crypto. You also have to tell them to send you a screenshot of analytics of the YouTube channel you're buying. Also, you need to check the comments, because if an account is hacked, usually you would see it in the comments that people are already talking about it, and yeah, or the owner would go comment and say this account was hacked or something. Just the comment section would give you the tea on the general overview of the channel. Outside of the fact that you have to make sure you're buying the YouTube channel from the original owner, you also have to check if it is actually monetized like they said it is. So they have to send you a proof of monetization, as well as the overall health of the channel. So you have to check if the channel has strikes, because you don't want to buy a channel that is already demonetized or would get banned at any time because they've been posting videos that are against the YouTube guidelines, or have been doing things that are against YouTube guideline. That'll be a waste of money. So you have to make sure that these things are checked. And last but not the least, this is the most important one. This one would help you achieve the other ones. You have to buy from a really good platform, and the platform I recommend is Flippa. The reason you have to buy from a platform is that you don't want YouTube to reclaim the channel, because they might think, oh, this, since the ownership of this channel has changed, it's probably hacked, or you need to be careful. You need to make sure with Flippa you can be able to draw out a legal agreement. You can be able to make sure there is structure behind transfer of ownership, so that you can prove that this channel is yours and you did not just hack it. Because if you buy it without a third-party platform, you cannot really prove that you did not hack it, because the owner can just say, yo, this person stole my account, and there will be no proof of agreement, and yeah, the person will take your money and take back their accounts. You don't want that to happen. So it's better to get a third-party platform. They would also help you with due diligence. Obviously you have to do yours as well. So on Flippa, you can list your channel for sale, and you can also buy other people's YouTube channel, as well as their digital businesses, Shopify store, Amazon store, software, AI, you can buy a digital business on Flippa basically. But for now, let me show you exactly how to buy a YouTube channel on Flippa. Over here we practice while we learn, so the link to Flippa would be in the description box. Sign up and let's get started. Now after you sign up and you answer the questionnaires, this is the page you'll be led to. As you can see, these are the number of online businesses you can buy, but the focus today is on YouTube. So let's click on YouTube and see the options they have. Oh, there's a free YouTube evaluation here. Let's click on it and see. Find out how much your YouTube channel is worth. Our evaluation tool is free and instant, no login required. It will be interesting to actually see how much my YouTube channel is worth. Maybe I'll do that later, but for now let's go back to how to buy a YouTube channel here. Now if you're using the free plan, you only have access to buy listings of YouTube channels after 21 days. So the people who get the first access are the people who are part of the premium plan, and if they are not interested in those listings, then so if they don't buy the listings after 21 days, every other person gets to have the chance to buy the listings. So if you want to be one of the first to get access to these listings, join the premium plan, but you don't have to. Now this YouTube channel costs $20,000, and it's a sports and outdoor YouTube channel. It makes $3,469 per month. That is crazy. Why is this person selling this channel? If you're making this amount per month, which means you're making more than how much you're willing to sell it. So in a year, you'll be able to make at the very least, $30,000 per month on average. Why is he willing to sell? Wow, this is crazy. He's willing to sell it for $20,000. I think that's an awesome deal. Yeah, this is a huge amount of money. I don't blame them, because if they make $37,000 per month, then yeah, I understand why they want to. In a year, you'll be able to get back this amount of money. And this is an inspirational storytelling, so it does not really cost much to even do this type of videos, which is nice. But if you're on a budget, just simply, you can filter everything you want around here. If you're on a budget, you can just simply edit the price range here. So if you only have 5,000 to buy YouTube channels, see, I just put 5,000 and the prices have changed. Look, this one costs 590. This one's asking price is 4,249, and he makes $338 per month. Okay, not bad, not bad. Oh, this is good. This is good. This person is willing to sell for 3,000 and they make $2,776 per month. Why are they selling for this price? I am a bit confused, but I think this is awesome. But this is, and what is this channel about? It's a faceless YouTube channel earning 2,800K per month on average with 100% profit margin. Obviously, it's 100% profit margin. It's a faceless YouTube channel. This is awesome. Oh my god, this is good. Let's view the listing. So this is the YouTube channel, and these are the details about the business. Oh, I love this. I love this. So this is the revenue breakdown. In some months they make this, and in some months they made this. I think this is the reason he's selling it, because he made this. But total impression 25.8 million. Click-through rate 4.2%. That's good. That's a really good click-through rate. Suggested video views 910.5 thousand. Okay. And these are the regions. So I guess it's a Spanish account. Fully automated workflow using AI tools for script writing, narration, Spanish audio generated automatically, and video creation. Wow. This is such a good channel. You don't have to invest anything. You literally don't have to invest money in this. Just continue with the systems the man has built, and the RPM is 10,000. Is $10.69. This is a good RPM. The average RPM is actually $5. So this is really high. This is good. This is good. This is good. I think this is just a good channel. If I'm into creating faceless videos, this would be a good one. It's not really my niche, so I'm not going to buy this. But for someone, I like to show my face, so I can't really do a faceless channel. I love seeing my face. Am I vain? Yes, I am. Probably. So yeah, that's basically how to buy a YouTube channel. This is basically how to buy a YouTube channel. You can place a bid, you can buy it now for this price, or place a bid, and you can also contact the seller directly. So if you want to skip the process of placing a bid and contacting the seller, you can just buy it straight, and all the details of the channel would be sent to you, and you can make changes to it. So that's basically how to buy a YouTube channel. So now that I've helped you with this information, help me by sharing this video to someone who might need it. Also, make sure you like and subscribe for the algorithm to push my channel to someone who might need it. Okay, be useful to your community. Now, if you're interested in AI, business, tech, and content creation, I make useful videos relating to these topics. For business and tech, you can click on this playlist here, and for AI and content creation, you can click on this playlist here. And till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okoli. Bye. Mwah.